Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change capitalization in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Canva design and locate the text box you want to edit. Click directly on the text box to select it. This will activate the text editing tools and allow you to make changes to your content. Selecting the text box is essential as it tells Canva which element you're working with and enables all the formatting options specific to that text. Next, if you don't already see the text formatting options appear automatically, click on Format in the top toolbar. This button is usually positioned near the top of your screen and gives you access to all the advanced text styling features. Clicking Format ensures that you have the full range of text controls available, including font choices, sizing, and capitalization settings. Now, look for the AA icon within the formatting options. This is the capitalization toggle button. Go ahead and click on this AA icon to switch your selected text between uppercase and lowercase. When you click it, Canva will automatically transform all the letters in your text box to either all capital letters or all lowercase letters, depending on the current state. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to quickly change the style of your text without manually retyping everything. If you need to toggle the case back to its original form or try a different capitalization style, simply click the same AA icon again. Each click cycles through the available capitalization options, giving you instant control over how your text appears. This makes it easy to experiment with different looks until you find the one that works best for your design. And that's it. You've now adjusted the capitalization of your text in Canva to match your design needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.